Shinde, the non-striker, against jersey number 3. That's in the air, a flatter one. One bounce into the hands of the player there at long off for a single.
स्कोर किती नवीन चालू कसं करायचं
राहू दे ना एक मॅच तो येईल ना एक मॅच राहू दे ना स्कोर राहू दे
बॅट्समन दोन बॅट्समनचं नाव काय सांगितलं
Out of the leg stumps, should be wide again. Yes, it is. Aniruddha a little bit wavered on the leg side, and Sachin Mokal
दोन मिनिटं फक्त नेक्स्ट मॅच आहे कोण आहे कोण ते सांगा ईश्वर आहे ना
taking the strike has placed in the offside for third man for single.
पनवेल आणि तळोजा
Offside to the third man for a single. Sachin Mokal with the blue cap now taking the strike. And Chandrakant on the non-striking end. A full toss delivery in between the gap. Mostly it will go all the way, and it is. It has gone. It has covered the distance. It's gone the distance for 4. Aniruddha not able to settle down with that bowling. That was a nice delivery, but Sachin Mokal had other plans. He stepped outside the off stumps, made room on the leg side, and went for that sort of flick for 2 runs. So 2 important runs, 2 intelligent runs. The ball which was very good, there would hardly have been any runs on that ball. But Sachin stepped out of the off stumps and took those 2 lovely runs. At the end of the first over, the score now is 12 for the loss of no wickets. Rasik Salunke, the new man, the new bowler, doing his duties from Hasla. Hasla, the new entrants, will be happy with seeing this atmosphere here. They will be all charged up. They'll get a feel of this tournament now against the top class team, Panvel A team.
टॉस कोण जिंकलं काय घेतलं
Left arm round the wickets, out of the off stumps. Nice delivery there. Almost negative bowling, but for a single. Rasik left arm around the wickets. Jersey number 49 to Sachin Mokal. That was over the head of the point region. There should be 2 comfortable runs, and it has crossed the boundary, gone the distance, 4 runs. Number 49 to Sachin Mokal. And that's a wide. Sachin realized that very early. He left the ball. He didn't go out fishing over there. And that's one comfortable one extra run, 1 extra ball. Sachin should be happy with that. He did a wonderful job there. Because judging the ball in this kind of format takes immense experience. Ooh, he missed it altogether. Amazing comeback. Amazing comeback. Rasik. Jersey number 49, right arm round to Sachin Mokal, a huge name. Another good delivery. Sachin going out of the off stumps, could not read the ball.
वाईड प्लस वन आहे ना
Wanted to go for that flick.
पहिला वाईड
Misses it altogether.
एकच वाईड आहे ना
This time, a flatter shot in the onside for a single. Jersey number 3 did the fielding very comfortably. Didn't allow the batsman to go for 2 runs. Out of the off stumps, and the batsman looking at the umpire whether it's a wide or not. But umpire, he knows his job well. He gives the perfect judgment that it was not a wide ball. So at the end of the second over, Rasik has done a wonderful job there for his team. The score is now 19 runs
आताची कोण टाकते
for no loss. Rasik has made a wonderful comeback for his team. Umpire 19.
किशोर कोकाटे
आवाज देतो
Next bowler from Hasla is Kishore Kokate. He is going to bowl over number 3. अंपायरचे नाव काय? त्यांचे अंपायरचे नाव काय?
कोणता आहे म्हणजे वाईड काय झालं वाईड नंतर बघा हॅलो
Score is 19 for the loss of no wickets
कुठे आहेस
at the end of 2 overs.
दुकाने उचलला
Kishore. White ball there, and no, in fact, a no ball. Umpire saw the no ball quite early. If it had not been a no ball, it would definitely had been a wide. So a free hit now. Let's see what Sachin has in store. There he goes. That should be a clear 6. It's over the heads. Sachin Mokal for a huge 6 there. Kishore the bowler over number 3 to Sachin. Again it's over the head. It's out of the ropes for another 6. Okay, there's a request from the admin committee to speed up the matches, please. We are running 1 to 1.5 hours late. 1 से 1.5 घंटा हम लोग लेट चल रहे हैं, तो हमको कोऑपरेट करना मैनेजमेंट के साथ में, ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है. सो प्लीज़ ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई टू स्पीड अप. बॉल बाहर गए, जल्दी से लाने की कोशिश कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. किशोर ओवर नंबर 3, जर्सी नंबर 45, राइट आर्म around the wickets this time. To Sachin Mokal, and another huge one on the leg side. Fantastic, 3 sixers in a row. for no loss.
कॉल कर फक्त तो आला का
टंकेशला पाठव जेवायला. टंकेशला जेवायला पाठव.
And Kishore would be thinking, when will the over end? 4 sixers in a row. Sixers in a row. सचिन आपल्याला प्राइस ठेवलेले आहे फायनलमध्ये. जर कोणी 6 बॉल्सला 6 सिक्सर्स मारले तर त्याला 6,000 रुपीजची प्राइज मनी आहे. पण तुम्ही आता जर मारले सिक्सर्स तर मग रिक्वेस्ट त्यांना करणार आत्ताच देऊन टाका. Another one. Another huge six. 5 sixers in 5 balls. Fantastic performance. सचिन मोकल आता अजून एक जर 6 मारले आपण सगळी मिळून त्या सरांजवळ जाऊन तुम्हाला 6,000 देऊन टाकू कसे पण. Yes, he goes over the head again. That's out of the boundary for a 6. Sachin Mokal, 6 balls. Very important over. Up in the air, but in no man's land. He should have attempted that catch. I feel so. It was a catch. He should have attempted it. And that's what all this game is all about. You are not going to get catches in your hands. You will have to create the catches. You will have to jump around to pick up those catches. That was a nice delivery out of the off stump. Sachin Mokal beaten completely. A good comeback. Rajesh. Straight into the hands, but he's dropped it. Ball racing to the fence. We'll see. Just 2 runs. So Sachin Mokal has completed his 50. He had lost his concentration in the previous ball. It was an easy catch, but the fielder they dropped it. Masla's fielders little bit sloppy in the field. And that should be boundary. Yes, it is. 4 runs. Sachin has completed his 50 and with the individual score of 64 runs. So 74, the total 64 belongs to Sachin's hard work. We saw that amazing sixer, a battery of sixers that he hit. He's an amazing player altogether, an all-rounder, fantastic. The team must be very, very happy with his performance. And Masla A will have to now really score. They'll have to play on top of their games. They have to get the best men in, the best batsmen to face the toughest opposition. Panvel A are comfortably placed at 74 for no loss. And they'll have to just defend in 4 overs. If Masla have to score this match, they will have to go bing bang from ball number 1.
Next match. Sir, next match.
And they will have to go at an average of 19 runs per over. So next match now after this would be between Taloja and Alibag. Taloja captain, Alibag captain, please come to the commentators box for toss. And please make your teams ready so that we don't waste any time. Fielding team, Panvel, please get onto the ground as early as possible to restart the second innings. Masla, please send your opening pair into the ground so that we start the match soon. We have to cooperate with the management to get the best results out and to enjoy the game. We don't want any team complaining bad light and खेलने को नहीं मिला और 2 runs ही 2 overs ही मिले. We don't want. We want everybody to enjoy. So please cooperate. Speed up. अगर कोई स्लो चल रहा है तो फास्ट चले, फास्ट चल रहा है तो दौड़ कर जाए, लेकिन टाइम बचा है यहाँ पर. टाइम इज अ की टुडे एंड टुमारो. ओपनिंग पेयर काय नाव आहे? Aniruddha and Rohit is the opening pair. Aniruddha taking the strike. Rohit the non-striker. Bowler कौन है? Taloja has won the toss and has elected to field. Taloja has won the toss and has elected to field against Alibag. Rohit. Aniruddha taking the strike. Rohit the non-striker. Jersey number 7 the bowler. कुठली टीम आहे? पनवेल, प्लीज सेंड योर 12th मॅन. 12 आहे ना पनवेलचं? नाही, पनवेल 12th मॅन कुठे गेला? घरात सर. सर बॉलरचं नाव सांगा ना. हां, निनाद भोपी. Jersey number 7 right up over the wickets doing the duties as an opener for Panvel B. Panvel A rather, and that's a beautifully hit shot straight out of the boundary for 4 runs. Making his intentions clear that he's not going to play the waiting game. He'll have to play on top of his game, and that's what he has displayed. Ball number 1 straight out of the boundary. Ball number 2 to be bowled by Ninad. Out of the off stumps, misses it altogether for a huge wide. Nicely judged wide there. We in fact thought that it was a valid ball, but the umpire knows it the best. He judges the ball best. Umpire से नाव
फिरोज खान
and उन तिकडं
अभिजीत सावंत.
Firoz Khan is the umpire here, and Abhijit Sawan as the leg umpire. Main umpire is Firoz Khan. Leg umpire is Abhijit Sawan. That's ball number 3. Nicely played in the offside. Taken 1 run comfortably. Gone for 2. And Rohit is struggling to complete his 2 runs. Rohit, you'll have to speed up. Every run is important. Every moment is important. That's a nicely played one. I would have expected a better shot there, but there's the pressure of the game there with 74 on board. Masla will not have too many options. They can't go for ones and twos. They'll have to go over the fence, over the heads. Hawaii. That's the only option. Nina, jersey number 7, right arm over. Another ball, another single. That cannot satisfy Masla team. Rohit will have to go all over the top. Aniruddha, we have seen him bat in the previous match. He had done a good job initially, but lost his direction, and there we have a perfect square cut. What a shot that was, timed perfectly in between the gap. One covers and extra covers in between. Nice shot over the heads. Lovely fielding there. 1 run taken, 2 runs taken, completed. अरे तीसरा रन मिलना चाहिए वहां पर. Third 3 runs, they were very comfortable runs because player had to run along the ball with the ball. He had to run after the ball. He stopped the ball, crossed the fence, but the ball was inside the fence. He picked it up. He had the ball. The players had so much time to run. Anyways, that's fine. If they have missed 1 run here, Rohit must be having other plans to go over the top and try to compensate for what he has lost here. Sachin Mokal, the man who scored 64 runs in this innings while batting, is now taking the ball in his own hands. Sachin Mokal, a seasoned campaigner. He's got a cricketing mind there. He's placing the fielders as per his bowling, and let's see whether he's able to execute his plans according to the field placement. Sachin right arm over the wickets. Flighted delivery, not able to read it. They've taken one. There's some misunderstanding there, but in the end it's not out. Or is it out, Dila? Okay, out. Fine. Rohit somehow was not able to run, and I feel he would have gotten in even in the previous run, but somehow he was not able to make it, and he has lost his wicket there. Sachin Mokal, right arm over. Wonderful flighted delivery there. No runs, dot ball. Akash Shinde, the new man in. Sachin Mokal, wonderful ball again. Batsman just not able to read. Sachin having tremendous experience with the bat and the ball. There another flighted delivery. Not able to read it once again. And he's having a gala time there. Sachin Mokal enjoying cricket to the hilt. He's in the topmost performance levels. That's up in the air. We'll have to see whether it's in the hand. There's a fielder there, and he's taken it very comfortably. Sachin Mokal, another wicket. The score is 15 for 2 wickets. Atul Gandre, jersey number 13, the new man in. Welcome, President Sahab. Thank you very much for giving us such an opportunity to perform here. And what a lovely management, lovely arrangement, lovely organization. All in all pluses, all A plus. An excellent performance, yes. हमारे बीच में निशिगंधा आठवले है इस वक्त के प्रेसिडेंट है हमारे इस साल के. एंड दैट्स अ मेडन ओवर. सचिन मोकल 2 विकेट्स मेडन ओवर एंड 64 रन्स. और कोई मैन ऑफ द मैच होने के लायक है क्या इस मैच का? उसको मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, पनवेल वाले सब उसको उठा के बाहर लाने का, उसको चलने को नहीं देने का सचिन को. संतोष यादव सर प्लीज नोट. निशिगंध आठवले साहब, इनकी टीम पूरी बहुत ही बेहतरीन इंडोर गेम्स का उन्होंने एग्जीक्यूट किए थे लास्ट टाइम. और यहाँ पर आरएमए की जो मैचेस जिसके लिए हम लोग पूरा 1 साल इंतजार करते हैं, ये 2 दिन के लिए, वो दिन आज आ चुका है. और यहाँ पर हम हाफ डे में देख ले इतनी सारी मैचेस हो गई है. नितिन देर, वाइट बॉल ऑन द लेग साइड. कौन बॉलर के बैट्समैन? रविंद्र राउत बॉलर. रविंद्र वजन बढ़ा दिया है, पहचानने को नहीं आ रहा है. हर साल थोड़ा थोड़ा वजन बढ़ाकर आता है, अभी पूरा अलग दिखने को लगा है. रविंद्र, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी वांट यू टू बी थिनर एंड स्लिमर एंड मोर हैंडसम. थैंक यू. आरटी रहा है, आरटी. ये प्यार से इसको आरटी बोला जाता है. आरटी राउत, रविंद्र राउत. नाइस डिलीवरी, थोड़ा फुल टॉस. एंड इस वक्त दिस टाइम द सेकेंड लाइन bowlers are coming to bowl here for Panvel B since they know that they have won the match. 18. And that's a huge one. Should cross the fence. And he's taken it. Santosh Yadav sir. Amazing. This is the kind of player that we are looking at. Easy catches anybody can take. But that catch which had almost crossed the boundary, he came and took a running catch. Judged it so perfectly. And at the end of the day, he's taken that wicket for RT. So RT will be very happy. Ravindra Raut will be very happy with that wicket. Because probably और कोई वहाँ पर होता तो उसको बहुत टफ हो जाती है कैच लेने के लिए. लेकिन वो संतोष यादव थे सर, जिनका वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस लेदर बॉल के अंदर भी है. एंड ही इज द अमंग्स द टॉप मोस्ट बैट्समैन इन हिज दिस पनवेल टीम एज वेल एज लेदर बॉल टीम. तो यहाँ उनका एक डिस्प्ले हमको देखने को मिला जो बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. पूरे दिन में इस तरह की कैचेस 1 या 2 ही देखने को मिलती हैं. एंड आरटी, he very intelligently changed the sides and that should be out. Yes, it is. What a performance by Panvel team. Amazing performance, fantastic batting, amazing bowling, terrific. करते हैं. ऐसा बंदा आज हमारे पास में बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पर और ऐसे लोग हमको देखने को मिल रहे हैं. दैट्स आउट ऑफ द लेग साइड फॉर वाइड. यस अंपायर. आरटी ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया इस टाइम. एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक परफॉर्मेंस विद द बॉल एंड गुड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द फील्डर्स. अप इन द एयर, should be caught and bowled. What a catch that was! Oh, amazing! अमेजिंग कॉट एंड बॉल कैच. मैं तो कह रहा था इसी कैच एक ही देखने को मिलती है एक दिन में, लेकिन ये 2 कैचेस एक ही मैच में हो चुकी है. व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस पनवेल, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू. एंड मसला विल बी डिजेक्टेड, क्योंकि अगर उन्होंने बैट बॉल छोड़ दिए तो रन्स नहीं मिलता है, और बैट को टच किया तो कैच हो जाता है. करे तो क्या करे. मसला थोड़ा फिक्स में भी है. अभी पूरा साल है उनको ये स्ट्रैटेजी सोचने के लिए. अगली 2 मैचेस है उनके पास. अगली 2 मैचेस है उनके पास. ये पूरा बैठ के ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करने के लिए एक ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशन हो जाए कि हम इसके लिए करें तो क्या करें. कि बॉल अगर छोड़े तो नो रन्स, टच करे तो कैच, बॉल करे तो 6, करे तो क्या करे. इन द मीनवाइल आरटी. खुशी का माहौल, और मसला हारते हुए भी खुश हो रही है कि यहाँ एंजॉय करने के लिए आए हम.
याला सांग गुलवान सरांना
और
तिकडं पण एक प्लेट सांग.
क्योंकि ये गेम ऐसा है, ये इस वक्त जो यहाँ खेलते हैं ये जीतने के लिए नहीं खेल रहे, यहाँ एंजॉय करने के लिए खेल रहे हैं. उसमें जीत अगर हमको मिल जाती है तो एक 1+ हो जाता है.
तेव्हा ते फोनवर बोलतात ना, त्यांना सांग.
हां ते आठवले सरांना फक्त सांगावं इथे युट्यूबरला जेवण नाही, तो एकटाच आहे.
ओके.
दोघे असतील ना, दोघांना
त्या त्या ग्राउंडवर पण नाहीये.
आठवले सर
अरेंज केलं तर
मोबाईल ना. आठवले सर एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे. हे येतात बघा, हे कोऑर्डिनेट येतात. ॲब्सोल्युटली 1-sided मॅच.
कोण आहे बॉलर.
T-shirt number 10, right arm round, and a lovely ball straight out of the boundary for 4 runs. Ball. Umpire Firoz Khan doing his duties since morning. और अभिजीत सावंत सुबह से खड़े हैं, अपनी ड्यूटीज अंजाम दे रहे हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच बोथ द अंपायर्स. इन द मीनवाइल अ सिंगल ऑन द लेग साइड. जर्सी नंबर 10. स्कोर क्या है. राइट आर्म ओवर द विकेट्स 25 on board. That's a dot ball there. मसला टीम इज एंजॉइंग ऑन द डॉट बॉल्स, और आपका सेलिब्रेशन देख के हमको यहाँ बहुत मजा आ रहा है. अरे यहाँ आउट होने के बाद लोग खुश हो रहे हैं. मसला टीम रियली एंजॉइंग. आई एम देयर विथ यू. पनवेल ने तो अपना एंजॉयमेंट कर लिया है, या हो सकता है लास्ट बॉल के बाद कर लेंगे, लेकिन मसला कब से एंजॉय कर रही है. ये है स्पिरिट जिसकी मैं बात कह रहा था कि मसला तो लास्ट बॉल करने के बाद ही एंजॉय करेगी और सेलिब्रेट करेगी, लेकिन मसला पहले बॉल से एंजॉय कर रही है. बॉल मिस हुआ तो भी एंजॉय, कैच हुआ तो भी एंजॉय, आउट हुआ तो भी एंजॉय.